I just spent $15 at Dollar Tree and turned it into garden decor that looks like it came from a high-end design store. Not one or two pieces, but 10 completely different projects that look custom, intentional, and expensive. If you've ever walked past the garden aisle and thought, there's no way this could look good, this video is going to change your mind. Every idea you're about to see uses simple items, smart assembly, and styling tricks that instantly elevate your space. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we turn everyday finds into gardens that feel thoughtful and beautiful without the big price tag. Today I'm sharing 10 brand new Dollar Tree garden hacks I've never shown before, and each one gets better as we go. Make sure you watch all the way to the end, because the final project looks like designer decor and costs just a few dollars to make. If you enjoy budget-friendly garden ideas that actually look good, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Hack number 1, Stacked Book Planter Tower. Old hardcover books might seem like something that belongs on a shelf, but with a little creativity, they can become one of the most striking garden features you'll ever make. By sealing the covers properly, these books become weather-resistant and sturdy enough to live outdoors without damage. Carefully drilled openings allow small planters to sit snugly inside, creating the illusion that greenery is growing straight out of the pages. When stacked and secured, the result is a vertical planter that feels intentional, artistic, and full of character rather than improvised. What really makes this hack shine is the styling. Trailing succulents, creeping thyme, or compact herbs soften the edges and bring movement to the structure, giving it that vintage library meets garden look. Placed near an entryway, patio, or quiet corner, this planter instantly becomes a conversation piece. It's the kind of decor people assume you found at a boutique garden shop, not something you built with items most people would have thrown away. Hack number 2, Mirror Shard Garden Art Installation. A plain garden wall or fence can feel flat, but this hack turns it into a statement piece that catches light and attention all day long. Using small Dollar Tree mirrors, you can create a mosaic-style design that reflects sunlight and adds instant depth to your space. Arranged into simple shapes like suns, moons, or abstract patterns, the mirror shards transform ordinary outdoor areas into something that feels artistic and intentional. Once mounted on a sturdy board, the piece becomes durable enough for outdoor use while still looking delicate and refined. Beyond looks, this project adds a subtle functional benefit to your garden. The reflected light bounces into nearby plants, brightening darker corners and giving the whole area a soft glow. As the sun moves, the reflections shift, making the artwork feel alive rather than static. Hung near a seating area or used as a focal point among greenery, this installation looks like custom garden art you'd expect to see in a designer landscape, not something made from budget materials. Hack number 3, Colander Hanging Planters. Metal colanders make surprisingly perfect hanging planters, and the best part is they're already designed with drainage in mind. A quick coat of spray paint instantly updates the look, whether you go for a soft neutral, a bold pop of color, or a subtle ombre finish that fades from dark to light. Once dry, adding chains or macrame cord turns them into airy hanging baskets that feel light, open, and intentionally styled rather than bulky or outdated. These planters work especially well with trailing plants, herbs, and flowers that benefit from good airflow around the roots. Hanging several at different heights creates a layered effect that draws the eye upward and makes small spaces feel more dynamic. Grouped on a porch, pergola, or along a fence, they bring movement and texture to your garden while looking far more expensive than their humble beginnings suggest. Hack number 4, Wine Glass Cloche Covers. Large wine glasses can be turned upside down and transformed into elegant cloche covers that protect your plants, while making them look intentionally styled. Placed over young seedlings or delicate plants, they help trap warmth, shield against wind, and deter curious pests, all while letting in plenty of light. Adding a small decorative knob to the base creates a handle and instantly elevates the look, making the glass feel like a purpose-made garden accessory, rather than a repurposed item. What makes this hack special is how seamlessly it blends function with beauty. These glass cloches look just as good in raised beds as they do on patio planters or outdoor tables. Lined up in a row, they give your garden a refined, almost European feel that's usually associated with high-end landscapes. It's a simple detail, but one that quietly makes your entire space feel more thoughtful and put together. Hack number 5. Cutlery wind chimes. Old forks and spoons can be turned into beautiful wind chimes that add sound, movement, and personality to your garden. By gently bending the cutlery into subtle curves, you create visual interest even before they move. Hanging them from an embroidery hoop with fishing line or thin wire keeps the design light and balanced, allowing each piece to catch the breeze naturally. Adding a few beads or small accents between pieces gives it a finished handcrafted look rather than something thrown together. As the wind moves through them, the chimes produce a soft, calming sound that feels organic and understated. Over time, the metal can develop a weathered patina that only adds to the charm, making the piece look even more intentional as it ages. Hung near a seating area, tree branch, or garden path, this wind chime feels like a custom garden feature you'd expect to find at an artisan market, not made from everyday utensils. Hack number 6. Cooling rack garden obelisk. Cooling racks might seem like an unlikely garden material, but when shaped correctly they turn into a strong modern plant obelisk that rivals expensive metal versions. By rolling or angling 3 or 4 racks into a cone or pyramid shape and securing them together, you create instant vertical support for climbing plants. A quick coat of spray paint in black, bronze, or matte green pulls everything together and gives the structure that heavy architectural look usually reserved for store-bought garden supports. Once placed in the soil, this obelisk becomes both functional and decorative. It's perfect for peas, beans, cucumbers, or flowering vines that need guidance as they grow upward. As the plants fill in, the structure almost disappears, leaving behind a clean vertical silhouette that adds height and interest to your garden beds. It's a simple build, but the finished result looks deliberate, balanced, and far more expensive than it actually is. Hack number 7. Lampshade outdoor chandelier. Wire lampshade frames can be transformed into a stunning outdoor chandelier that adds instant charm to any garden space. By weaving battery-powered fairy lights evenly through the frame, you create a soft glow that feels warm and inviting rather than harsh. Adding a few faux florals or greenery around the edges helps blend the piece into its surroundings, making it feel like it belongs outdoors instead of looking like an indoor item hung outside. Once suspended from a pergola, tree branch, or covered patio, this chandelier completely changes the mood of the space. As evening sets in, the lights turn the garden into a cozy, almost magical retreat that invites you to linger a little longer. It's the kind of detail people notice immediately, yet it costs a fraction of what outdoor lighting fixtures usually do. Simple, elegant, and atmospheric, this hack proves that lighting alone can elevate an entire garden. Hack number 8. Shower curtain ring plant supports. Metal shower curtain rings can be repurposed into adjustable plant supports that are both functional and visually clean. By attaching them to bamboo stakes or other vertical supports, you can create custom cages for tomatoes, heavy blooms, or vining plants. Spray painting the rings in neutral tones, or matching them to your garden palette, ensures they blend in rather than stand out as makeshift supports. This system is not only practical but also incredibly versatile. The rings can be moved up or down as plants grow, reused season after season, and stacked or combined for larger plants. The result is a tidy, organized garden where plants are properly supported, stems aren't stressed, and everything looks deliberate. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in both plant health and overall aesthetic. Hack number 9. Cutting board succulent display. Wooden cutting boards aren't just for the kitchen. They can be transformed into charming succulent displays that double as living decor. By arranging small containers or shallow pots directly on the board, and filling them with a mix of succulents, you create a miniature garden that's portable, versatile, and endlessly customizable. Decorative stones or moss add texture and color contrast, helping each plant stand out while keeping the overall arrangement cohesive. The result is a piece that feels intentional, like a carefully curated centerpiece, rather than a simple collection of plants thrown together. This hack works beautifully both indoors and outdoors, giving you flexibility in styling. Place it on a porch table, a windowsill, or even a shelf to add life and greenery without taking up much space. It also makes for an incredible gift idea. Something that looks like it came from a boutique florist but costs next to nothing to make. With a little attention to balance, height variation, and plant selection, your cutting board succulent display can become a focal point in any space, proving that creativity and presentation can turn humble materials into show-stopping decor. Hack number 10. Glass Gem Garden Gazing Ball. Turn a simple glass bowl into a dazzling garden centerpiece by covering it entirely with flat-backed glass gems. Using a strong adhesive, arrange the gems closely together to create a vibrant stained glass effect that catches and refracts sunlight in all directions. For added impact, place a small solar light beneath or nearby to make the colors glow during the evening, giving your garden a magical, ever-changing display. Mounted on a pedestal, stake, or even a low planter, this gazing ball instantly elevates any outdoor space with its rich colors and playful reflections. The beauty of this hack is in the way light interacts with the gems throughout the day. As the sun moves, the colors shift, sparkle, and create dynamic patterns on surrounding surfaces, adding both movement and visual interest to your garden. This is a statement piece that feels custom-made and designer level, yet it's entirely achievable with Dollar Tree materials. It draws the eye, sparks conversation, and provides a sense of artistry that makes the garden feel intentional, vibrant, and uniquely yours. And there you have it. 10 absolutely brilliant Dollar Tree garden hacks that prove style doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Each project in this video, from the stacked book planter tower to the dazzling glass gem gazing ball, shows how a little creativity and careful planning can completely transform ordinary items into pieces that look custom-made and designer level. What's truly remarkable is how accessible these ideas are. Simple, inexpensive materials can be turned into extraordinary garden decor. With just a bit of vision and effort, every corner of your garden can feel intentional, stylish, and full of personality, all while staying budget-friendly. This is the kind of inspiration that makes you look at everyday items in a whole new light, encouraging you to rethink what's possible in your outdoor space. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, these hacks are incredibly functional and practical. The Colander hanging planters and shower curtain ring supports not only look stylish, but they also provide proper drainage and support for your plants, helping them thrive. Wine glass cloches protect delicate seedlings and add an elegant touch to patios or tables, while cooling rack obelisks give climbing flowers and vegetables the structure they need to grow upward, gracefully. Even the decorative elements, like cutlery wind chimes and lampshade chandeliers, bring movement, sound, and enchanting ambiance to your garden, proving that functional pieces can also be beautiful art forms. Each hack serves a dual purpose, combining practicality with creativity in ways that elevate your garden without spending a fortune. The magic of these ideas lies in their versatility and the way they encourage experimentation. You can mix and match hacks to fit the exact layout and style of your space, adapting colors, plants, and arrangements to your personal taste. Whether it's a cozy patio corner, a vibrant balcony, or a sprawling backyard, these projects allow you to personalize your garden in ways that feel thoughtful and deliberate. You can even swap materials, add decorative accents, or combine multiple hacks for larger statement pieces that reflect your unique vision. The possibilities are endless, and each project empowers you to turn something simple into something truly special that feels intentional, curated, and visually striking. Most importantly, these hacks are a reminder that gardening is as much about creativity and self-expression as it is about plants and flowers. They encourage you to see potential in everyday objects, to think outside the box, and to craft a space that reflects your personality and style. The end results aren't just beautiful, they're conversation starters, mood lifters, and small moments of joy that make spending time outdoors even more rewarding. So pick your favorite hack, try it out, experiment, and make it your own. And as always, keep growing, keep glowing, and continue turning simple ideas into extraordinary garden experiences. with timeless gardening.